Welcome back, cottage food entrepreneurs. Storing food the right way is key to keeping it safe and fresh for your customers. Let's break it down. Store foods carefully in the refrigerator so raw meats and eggs never drip onto ready-to-eat foods. This means keeping ready-to-eat foods on the top shelves, covered and date marked. Washed fruits and vegetables go just below ready-to-eat products, also covered. Raw pork, beef, seafood, and eggs should always be stored below produce and ready-to-eat foods. Raw ground meats and pulled eggs are stored below those. And raw poultry is always on the very bottom. Fish and shellfish are in a category that is not allowed for cottage food retailers. For any cottage food products that require temperature control for safety, like cooked meats, dairy products, prepared vegetables, and cut fruit, mark the container with the date it was cooked or prepared. The best practice for temperature-sensitive products is to consume them within 7 days. The day the food was made counts as day 1. If you freeze it, the clock stops until it is thawed, and then you resume counting. Always track freeze and thaw dates so you stay accurate. It's a good idea to have a thermometer inside your refrigerator. Cottage food entrepreneurs. Safe storage and accurate date marking keep food out of the temperature danger zone and your customers safe and healthy.